Hello everyone, in this work we present the CTrGAN architecture, a joint work of Shahar, Mahpod, Noam, Gaash, Hoffman and Gil Ben-Artzi. The purpose of our research is to examine whether it is possible to take a street camera that captures a person walking and to replace it with another person. For example, in this video there is a woman walking, and the question is whether we could replace her with another person in a sufficiently reliable way. This task is also called pose retargeting. In the research world, there are tools that perform pose retargeting such as Everybody Dance Now and video-to-video synthesis and many others. Using these tools, you can train a model on a series of poses of a target object, then use the trained model to produce a video of that person moving according to the movements of other people's poses. The main challenge of these tools is the level of quality and reliability of the product of the model. In the current studies, the common way to measure the quality of the generated video is through matrices for measuring appearance quality. In our study, since we chose to focus on a routine movement of walking, we asked ourselves whether pose retargeting models also preserve the gait style. For this, we used the common gait recognition models found in the OpenGait package. Using these models, we assessed the quality of the gait transfer for the videos. We used Cassia-A dataset as our working data. When we produced a generated video using only the pose retargeting tool, we saw that the gait score was not good. In other words, despite transferring pose from object A to object B, the gait metric still identified the generated video of person B as the product of A. An indication of this can be seen in the gait distance matrix. Each pixel in the matrix indicates the gait similarity between a generated video that has been retargeted from source objects to a single target object, in comparison with all the original videos of the source objects. Dark pixels indicate a smaller gait distance between the two videos, meaning they have similar gaits. In this distance matrix, we can see that the lowest values are on the diagonal, meaning that the proximity of the generated target is to the videos of the object from which it is created and not to the original clips of the target itself. In order to overcome this problem, we propose CTrGAN to be used as a preliminary module for the pose retargeting model. Since there is no ability to train a model that will perform such a conversion directly from one pose to image to another, we are required to perform a transfer between domains. That is, we transfer from one group of pose images to another using the CycleGAN mechanism. After analyzing the CycleGAN generated videos, we realized that the transfer quality of the gait was still insufficient, and so we expanded the CycleGAN model to the new Cycle Transformer GAN model. An expansion on the architecture can be found in the paper. Here we can see a comparison between the gait metric results for vid-to-vid pose retargeting with and without the CTrGAN. Now we can see that the diagonal at the right matrix has disappeared, and the gait metric gives a lower distance score to target object number 2, to which we intended to perform the pose retargeting. Here we can get a visual impression of the products with and without CTrGAN. Thank you.